Hi, today I'm going to read a story called Sneeze. Today Jack's uncle came for a visit. Jack asks his uncle to tell him something fun. His uncle told him that no one can sneeze and keep their eyes open at the same time. Pay attention the next time you sneeze, said his uncle. You'll see what I mean. Jack is amazed. Oh, one more thing. You should cover up your nose and mouth when you sneeze, Jack's uncle said with a smile. Achoo! Thank you for listening to my story. See you next video. Bye.